Good morning, one and all. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Sai Venkat presents a sad memory in 1945 Hiroshima bomb explosion. The tragedy in Hiroshima occurred on August 6, 1945, in Japan, is one of the biggest bombings of history that killed thousands of people. Hiroshima was home to approximately 350,000 people at the time of the bombing. The US B 29 Superfortress bomber Enola Gay took off from Tinian Island very early on the morning of August 6th, carrying a single 4,000 kg uranium bomb codenamed Little Boy. At 8:15 a.m., Little Boy was dropped from 9,400 meters above the city, free falling for 57 seconds while a complicated series of fuse triggers looked for a target height of 600 meters above the ground. At the moment of detonation, a small explosive initiated a supercritical mass in 64 kg of uranium. Of that 64 kg, only 0.7 kg underwent fission, and of that mass, only 600 milligrams was converted into energy, an explosive energy that seared everything within a few miles, flattened the city below with a massive shock wave, set off a raging firestorm, and bathed every living thing in deadly radiation. Nearly 80,000 people are believed to have been killed just the first few minutes. Thousands died later from radiation sickness. Survivors dying of injuries and radiation exposure by 1950. This was the first time a nuclear weapon had ever been used. The fireball created by the bomb destroyed 13 square kilometers of the city, and those dead as a result numbered up to 180,000. So, let us know what is the impact of the bombing on Hiroshima. Hiroshima stands on a flat river delta with few hills or natural features to limit the blast. The bomb was dropped on the city center, an area crowded with wooden residential structures and places of business. These factors meant that the death toll and destruction in Hiroshima was particularly high. The firestorm in Hiroshima destroyed 13 square kilometers, that is nearly 5 square miles, of the city. Almost 63% of the buildings in Hiroshima were completely destroyed and many more were damaged. In total, 92% of the structures in the city were either destroyed or damaged by blast and fire. Estimate of deaths in Hiroshima have generally ranged between 1 lakh to 1,80,000 out of population. Tens of thousands died immediately and many more in the days and months that followed. Long after the bombings, survivors were still suffering from increased susceptibility to leukemia, cataracts, and malignant tumors, with many also being diagnosed with post traumatic stress disorder later in life. Today, Hiroshima houses a Hiroshima Peace Memorial Museum near Ground Zero, prompting a hope to end the existence of all nuclear weapons. Historians continue to debate on this session always. Was there another way to end the war? Really, if you were the president, Truman, in 1945, would you have dropped the bomb? Please think about it and go for weapon disarmament. Thank you for listening my video.